This is New York right now, everyone. I kid you not, friend. So today, I'm powering the TCS Runners Marathon here in New York City 2024 with the INU power bank that they sent me for a free review. This is the 27,140 watt B64 power bank. And today, it's been a power horse for my live stream for the last 7 hours. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is a real world scenario using this power bank for the last 7 hours off and on, charging and off charging. And just to give you guys context, I'm only down to 72%. So with that tell everyone, very good reliable power bank. Thank you INU for sending this out. But we are here at the TCS Runners Marathon. Black Friday is coming up, so get your deals on INU Power Tech, power banks, cables, and more. And I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Go get it, girl. That's right. That's what I'm talking about. Ladies and gentlemen, the holidays are coming up, and now the same family that did the Halloween decoration for this house now did the Christmas decoration. And I don't think they are done. Look at that. Pretty amazing what they do. Oh my panda, they are ready. I think I'm pinning up a Christmas tree. We gotta see. We come back in a few days. So Williamsburg now has a Japanese market. I know there's another one down on Williamsburg, but right here on Bedford Avenue, it's like rare. Oh man, this is like a dream come true for me, friend. I've been bitching about more diversity of Japanese culture in this neighborhood, like for groceries or like a market type that actually serve Japanese style food. And trust me, they have it. But they have a $10 minimum, so keep that in mind. All right, ladies and gentlemen, you got some pretty much some idiots in the world. And what they did was vandalize the community refrigerator already. Look what they did. It's like, come on, man. Why can't the community have something good? But there's no food. Damn.